Now another parabola is x square equals minus 4ay. In this case, a is negative and axis is y-axis only. So if a is negative and axis is y-axis, then how the parabola should extend? It should be like this. And what is the equation of this parabola? X square equals minus 4ay. And as usual, x comma y is a point. This x and y is a point on the parabola. So if you now write the details, what is the axis? Axis means what? It is the line which divides the parabola into two equal parts. Which line is dividing? Y-axis. And what is its equation? X equals 0. So axis is y-axis, which implies x equals 0. Where is the vertex? What do you mean by vertex of a parabola? The vertex of a parabola is the point where the curve takes a blunt turn from infinity to infinity. And vertex is denoted by A. So A is the origin, which is 0, 0. And third, this is vertex. And what is the role of x-axis? It is the tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex is x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. This is the equation, y is equal to 0. Sorry. The focus lies at the point S, which in this case is 0, minus a. So the focus is 0, minus a. At a distance equal to as, opposite to the focus, we have a fixed line which is called as the directrix. And now you see that directrix is parallel to x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equals 0. So this should be y is equal to, at what distance it is there? It is above the origin, therefore it is plus a. So equation of directrix, y is equal to a. Length of LR is 4a. Because it is just pertaining to length, it is always the same. Length of LR is always, this is L, this is L, and this is L dash. Equation of LR. Equation of LR. Now you see that latus rectum is parallel to x-axis, so it should be having the equation in the form y is equal to minus k, because it is below the origin. Equation of LR, y is equal to minus k. And ends of LR. Ends of LR. One end is L. It is in the fourth quadrant. And this distance is 2a. This distance is a. So it is 2a, minus a, and L dash is minus 2a, minus a. So these are the details of the fourth type of parabola, x square is equal to minus 4ay. So far we have understood the details of four types of parabola when it extends to the right side of the origin, left side of the origin, above the origin, and below the origin. And the equations are accordingly y square equals 4ax, y square equals minus 4ax, x square equals 4ay, and x square equals minus 4ay. So now we are in a position to list out all the details of all these four parabolas.